In Tarlac and in Pampanga, for those POGO operations that were raided there, it appeared that the local government units may have some knowledge of the operations and they were able to build and operate with the knowledge of the LGUs. Can you confidently say that here in this case, in Tourist Garden Hotel, the LGU had no knowledge to allow the operations?
We don't have any knowledge, Attorney Karen, with regards to this operation of POGOs in this establishment. Because, as I said, in 2019, when I assumed as a mayor in 2019, we closely monitor on this establishment, and they're paying their business permit, the different business names. They have 6 different businesses.
Was there any prior monitoring in this hotel that would reveal that there were operations there that were related to POGOs?
Actually, because their business is, they're into hotel. So there are tourists that they will check in on their hotels, book on their hotels. So yun ang nakita natin na parang yung negosyo na dahil hotel. So parang wala lang na ano namin merong POGO doon kasi when they started the business, we are monitoring from 2019 up to 2024. We never seen any POGOs or inside the said hotel. So yung mga tourists, parang turista lang na nag-check-in sa kanila because they have the hotel, no? So as you all know that Lapu-Lapu's bread and butter is tourism. So sila, they were accepting tourists to book in their hotel.